Hey guys, Mr. Wahid here back with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your multifunction display to show speed in miles per hour and a big display. So you might have a Golf or whatever like mine where it shows what will it show? It used to show kilometers and the speed wouldn't be right as well, it wouldn't move. So I'll show you how to change that now. So for this you need an OBDEleven. So what you do is plug it into the car. This all has to be done while in the car. I'm just going to show you what you do on the app once it's plugged into the car and you connect it. Okay, so you want to connect to your car. Pretend I've connected. Okay, as you can see it's 4 AM. So I will show you how to do it later. I'll show you what you do on it basically now, and then I'll go over to my car, show you what you have to do in the car, and then that's it. Okay, so pretend you're connected and there's my car there, 2009 Golf. So you want to go into control units, as you can see. Okay, so once you're in control units, you're going to look for dashboard, long coding. Okay, so where you see country version, it will say Great Britain. You want to change that to rest of world. That's literally all you're doing. That's it. That's literally all you have to change. Then that's it, I think. Yeah, let me just double check. Yeah, so that's all you have to change. I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, that's all you change, and then you go into your car and you want to change on the display there. So I'll move when it's in the morning later on. I'll go over to my car and I'll add it onto this video, so you should see that very soon. Alright guys, once you've done your OBD stuff, which I showed you before a second ago because I clipped it in for you, you're going to go to your car, and if you have the multifunction wheel, you just literally go right, and then you want to go to multifunction display. You want to put digital speed on, and you want to take off alternative display. Should be somewhere, or it might have gone now. Look for alternative display. You want to turn that off there. You want to turn that alternative speed display off, and then you should have the miles per hour like that in big. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and check out more of the car videos. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.